Want to put the you back in youth? Well, we have the doctor for you. Dr. Arthur Slyer from Renuvia Medical Center joins us today to discuss the latest treatments to reduce symptoms commonly associated with aging. Now, doctor, we've been able to talk with you a little bit, and you're getting into one of the hottest trends, or one of the acronyms that I hear a lot, that I'm going to have you break down for us. PRP. What is it, and how can you help?
Well, it's nice to be here. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. It's easier to say PRP, so we'll go with that for the rest of the show.
Deal.
But what it is we draw blood from people. We take the blood, we spin it down and process it, and we take the platelets and the stem cells out of the blood, and then we use it for re-injection. We do aesthetic and therapeutic injections with people using that particular serum.
Okay, injections. What kind of procedures are you talking about? How can that benefit patients, especially in the trying to hold on to youth? For
aesthetic injections, we do what's called the vampire facelift, and we also do the vampire facial. There's a vampire breast lift, there's a P shot and an O shot. Those are all developed by Dr. Runnels from Fairhope, Alabama. He was actually the person who put together the vampire copyright, and we trained with Dr. Runnels when we started doing this.
I've heard about that. I think I've heard about it with celebrities, this vampire facelift. It sounds incredibly intimidating. What is it, and does it work?
The vampire facelift is injections of the PRP solution in different areas of the face to regenerate tissue in the face, typically under the cheekbones, around the nasolabial folds in the face, and the marionette lines in the chin and under the lips. What it does is we use the same type of needle that you use in Botox injections, which are very small. We inject the fluid into those areas, and over the course of 8 to 12 weeks, it regenerates the tissue. So you take older tissue and convert it into younger tissue, just like when your body used to heal when it was injured.
So I know a lot of times facials, you get the whole peeling of the skin, and then like the skin reheals. It seems like you're missing that actual invasive process in some of the things that you're doing, correct?
Very perceptive. And that,
I try.
that is the idea of the vampire series. Historically, we've done things to damage tissue. And damaged tissue is responded to by sending in stem cells by the body. So if you would burn the face with the laser, you get this burn on the face, you'd have to blister and peel, but the body would regenerate the tissue by sending in stem cells. The same thing with doing an acid peel. When you damage the skin, the body responds to it by sending in stem cells. What we've done is we've taken away the laser burn, we've taken away the acid burn, and we just put the stem cells into the area to regenerate the tissue.
Now, these are all things you talked about were aesthetic reasons. There are also things that you do for health reasons as well to help people feel better.
Exactly. We do joint injections with the PRP. We've done shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees, ankles.
Oh, wow.
What happens is that over the course of time, when you get degeneration in joints, particularly people that are runners or athletes, it thins down the cartilage. It thins down some of the tissue that's associated with the cartilage, the ligaments that go around the joints. If you inject the PRP into these areas, it regenerates that tissue, so that rather than go to surgery and have some foreign body put in to replace that particular, like a meniscus in a knee, you put in the PRP that helps to regenerate that tissue on your own.
And now, doctor, I know you've got a few locations that you do want to hit on, because there's a few different places that people in Tampa Bay can look into your services. So what are some of your locations, or how can people find you? Our
main location is in the Trinity area. It's on Grand Boulevard in Newport Richey. We have another location at Glow Therapeutics that's down at Barcelona, close to MacDill. And we also work out of Dr. Castellano's office close to Kennedy and MacDill.
You've got it all covered. Well, in fact, you even got our Morning Blend viewers covered, because he's offering free evaluations for PRP services for new clients that mentioned they saw Renuvia Medical Center on the Morning Blend. Pretty good deal. Thank you so much for your time today, doctor.
Thank you.